video, you can find the explicit and recursive equation for a geometric sequence. Now we know that we have a geometric sequence because if I take the second term divided by the first term, I get 2/3. And if I take the third term divided by the second term, I get 2/3. And if I take the fourth term and I divide that by the third term, so now I have to take my numerator and multiply by the reciprocal of the denominator. I also get 2/3. So we have a geometric sequence that has a multiplier. So our explicit equation is going to be t of n equals the zeroth term. So in order to find the zeroth term, I need to go from 9 back 1 by multiplying by the reciprocal of my multiplier. So 9 times 3/2 gives me 27/2 as the zeroth term, times my common multiplier of 2/3 raised to the nth power. In the recursive formula, our first term, t sub 1, is equal to 9, and therefore the next term, t of n plus 1, equals t of n times 2/3.